Wow, I'm like really aggressive today. Shout out to this pimple cream. I'm fucking hungry right now. Shout out to Glossier, sponsor me. Okay. Ow, fuck. What am I gonna eat, dude? It's like I went grocery shopping, but you know when you buy groceries and you don't want anything that you bought? I mean, like you did it first and then like a couple of days later you're like, Taco Bell sounds good. Everything else sounds good. I've eaten pretty healthy today so far, but I need some lunch and I don't know what I want. What do I want? Tell me what I want. Oh shit, I shouldn't touch my nose. And it's like, I could go get some food. I'd have to wash off all this pimple cream, or would I? Actually, I kind of probably go out in public like this, to be honest with you. Guys, tell me what to eat. I want to make a healthy choice, but I kind of am set on this Taco Bell idea. I don't know. I think for now, I'm just gonna drink some kombucha. Welcome to my fridge. It's like a welcome to my crib. My fridge. Oh no, my blueberries. Yeah, you're in the fridge with me right now. If I can get anything out of this fucking thing without breaking anything. Shit. Hold on, I gotta fix my fridge situation. Everything is just falling over. Shit. I'm doing a lot of swearing today. I don't know what my deal is. Also, shout out to this kombucha flavor, Watermelon Wonder. My life has changed. That's all I can say. My life is changed. Yeah, my Saturday is really popping. I mean, I'm in pajamas. I've got this pimple cream on. I'm drinking a kombucha. So I guess I'm gonna get Taco Bell and have a little treat meal, cheat meal, whatever. Definitely got this pimple cream on because whatever. Also, I don't know why I'm still wearing this sweatshirt. It's like 80 degrees outside. I should have filmed in that drive-thru. That lady was very chatty. I think she just really wanted someone to talk to. Ugh. I've got the goods. Hey guys, welcome to my mukbang. I just found out that my Target is open until 11 p.m. I just got so thirsty right now. If you don't have a giant jug like of water, what are you doing with your life? All right guys, I'm at the hottest place to be on a Saturday night. Like the place to be seen on a Saturday night. You guessed it. It's Target. Yep, I'm at Target on a Saturday night. Look out, everyone. There's honestly way too many choices of toothpaste, am I right? I don't know how I'm gonna choose, man. Maybe the natural ones. But yeah, there's way too many choices of toothpaste. So I'll try this one. And choices. Which one do I get? Dark chocolate peanut butter, plain old dark chocolate, or dark chocolate raspberry? Dark chocolate peanut butter. Definitely. Thank you. Never fail to get a Starbucks at Target. Whoever's idea that was to put Starbucks in Target, like, I'm fucking proud of you. So genius. Time to get pizza! Pretty pumped, guys. This is what a single gal does at 28. Goes to Target. Gonna get some pizza. Hell yeah. Wonder how long until my phone or my camera fucking falls off my steering wheel like this. don't break this shit, I'll cry. Does this count as using an electronic device? I mean, technically I am hands-free. I see people doing it all the fucking time. I think as long as I don't actually touch my phone again, or I mean my camera, I'll be good. And this sun is dangerous. I can't see a thing. Oh my god. Oh my gulay. That means all my vegetables in Tagalog, Filipino. So you're welcome. Bit in love with this refresher. Need to get over. Sir, can I go? Thank you, sir. They're staring at me. Hi, I love my fans. Just kidding, I don't have any fans. Alright, so I'm heading to a coffee shop here in Portland called Presso Coffee Bar. It's like the cutest place I've ever seen in my life. The outside is pink, the inside is all like white, black, and floral and beautiful. Meeting up my friend. I don't know if she's gonna be down for like filming, but I'll try. I want to show you guys the coffee shop because it is amazing.
We became that we are secret. Love, not to fail.
Do you want to be in it? You want to say hello? Big fan of this store. Look at this chair. Like, I feel like you need this with the blanket. And I'm back at Target because I forgot shit. 2 days in a row. Oh man, you guys are in for a treat. My roommate said that she would make an appearance in some of my vlogs. Dude, she's so funny. Like, I gotta get her like cooking. Like, that's when she's like in her zone. She says like the funniest shit ever. And not even thinking about it. Like, I don't even think she's trying to be funny, but it's hilarious. So maybe I can get her in this one. That would be fantastic. So I just got done with my second bar class and 3 of my friends came and they actually loved it. They looked like they were dying, but so was I. So I'm gonna go home now, get a protein shake, or maybe I'll go stop and get one because it's really nice outside and a good place. So, oh, it's hurting my eyes. I'm addicted to bar now, so cool, good for me. It's just so nice out right now. It's like 65 degrees. Going to get my smoothie from this restaurant called Harlow. It's all like vegan and vegetarian, but they have really good juice and smoothies there, so I'm gonna get one of those. Alrighty, got my smoothie. It is banana, spinach, almond butter, protein, and cacao nibs. So good. Now I gotta go home because bitch needs a shower.
Oh my god.
Tea is cooking. What are you making? I've never had that.
So Asian.
Wait, do it again.
No.
One more time.
No. So stupid. I really need to go pee. God damn. Okay, almost done.
Are you gonna have to put on new gloves now?
If I take it off, yeah. Okay, almost done. Nope, not really. Ugh. The sound of pain. Ugh.
It looks like you're murdering cabbage.
Wash it, wash it. Wash it real good.
Is that yogurt?
Yeah.
Oh, is that one of those probiotic things? Those are fun.
Cash refund. Cash refund.
What does it smell like?
Smell it. Smell pretty good.
Frozen dessert, but it's not frozen.
Supposedly, I guess.
It smells fruity, but it does smell like yogurt.
Give it.
Sponsor us.
You need to stop saying that.
If I could get sponsored by Starbucks, I think I would shit my pants.
Where?
How do you feel about Starbucks going strawless?
Don't give a fuck. Did you see that video I sent you about that girl with a list of things that she requires in a partner, in her boyfriend? Can't be jealous of her dog. Okay, hold on. Is long. Like, I can't wear sweatpants.
Sweatpants are the best.
Never wear sweatpants.
Never.
Never. What's wrong with sweatpants?
I mean, those are basics.
Why he can't wear sweatpants?
No, the last guy I dated, we fought all the time because he wanted to go to Starbucks in sweatpants.
That sounds like a great time.
Why not?
Sweatpants.
You know?
No one should be doing that.
What?
This can be you.
Favorite season cannot be fall.
What?
There's more.
That is the best season. And I will fight anyone that thinks differently.
So the thing about that is that every guy I've gone out with that says their favorite season is fall they're so typical. Everyone's favorite season is fall.
Oh my
and so then they want
For a good reason.
And they're
It's the
only
perfect
fall
weather.
haunted houses
four.
and it's just like it's watching the same movie and knowing the ending. every
There's
single
more
time.
than just haunted houses, bitch.
I do.
You're gonna have a lot of.
Do you like quiet times? You're gonna have a lot of them. Girl. Someone said in the comment that
She can't like fall. I got triggered.
she basically wants another dog, but in human form.
Seriously. You can name this Tea Murders Cabbage.
No, it's radish now.
And radish. Clickbait.
Tea is out. Tea is done. So,
Any advice you would give people that want to cook?
no. Hello Fresh.
Ooh, sponsor us. I need a box. You want to be my thumbnail?
No? Oh hell no. Wait, do this shit.
Do what?
Turn it off!
Oh
Bye.
man.
Thanks for watching.
Tell them to like it and comment.
No, you tell them. You tell them.
We need to go to sleep, but thanks for watching. You'll probably see more of T. Maybe.
Maybe.
She's probably gonna like not let me film her ever again. Bye.
Bye.
Are you alive?
Bye. Bye.